All right, y'all, this is Melvin again, here on the back slope, as you see, back slope at Eke's property, here in Ackworth again. We got our crease shingle right here. As we see, the crease right there, and we're gonna be taking care of this shingle, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And once again, I'm not gonna lift the shingle any higher than what the roof snake will allow when it comes to me nailing the shingle. I want you guys to keep an eye on how far I am lifting the shingle. Once again, I want to show you right here. If you come in, the shingle has already ripped right here. If you can see that, I'm not, I'm just doing my normal thing. Two nails right here. Oh, got one more. Can you hand me the other one, please? Got our new and improved. I do want to point out that I can see creases already, but we'll show photos once we get done. We'll zoom in a little bit closer. Once again, I'm only lifting the shingle as high as the roof snake will allow me. All right, y'all. As you can see, we have creasing right here. This is a dark shingle, so I know it's harder to see the creases, but we have creases right here, creases right here, creases right here. And also, I showed you earlier in the video where the shingle had ripped. So we'll take photos, and this is the back slope.